This is 3.5, rates and unit rates. A unit rate compares a quantity to one unit of another. Equivalent rates have the same unit rate. So let's say you walk at a rate of 40 minutes in 2 miles. Find the unit rate. So I could find how far do I go in 1 minute, or how long does it take me to go 1 mile. We usually say how long it takes us to go 1 mile. So I'm going to make a table that is time and miles, and I'm going to get the miles down to 1. So this unit rate, to go from 40 to 20, I divide by 2. So that means on this bottom layer, I also divide by 2. So that would be a rate of 20 minutes for 1 mile. So usually we would set it up like this. We're going to find the unit rate of miles to minutes. So that's the other way around. So now I have miles on top, time on bottom, and I want this to be 1. So to go from 40 to 1, I divide by 40. 2 divided by 40, that's the work I did over here. That would be dividing by 40 over 1 is 2 over 40, and 2 over 40 is 1 over 20. So I go 1/20th of a mile in 1 minute. These are both unit rates for the same situation. They just give us a little bit different information that could be useful in different ways. So we say your faucet pours 6 gallons in 4 minutes. How much flows in 3 minutes? So if I'm changing the time, it's asking me about the time, I'm going to find the unit rate for 1 minute and then take that and multiply by 3 to get 3 minutes. So we're going to find the unit rate, then multiply by 3 to get 3 minutes. So for gallons to minutes, to go from 4 to 1, divide by 4. 6 divided by 4 is 1.5. Now I need the 1 minute to be 3 minutes, so I multiply by 3, multiply the top by 3 to get 4.5 gallons in 3 minutes. How long does it take your faucet to pour 5 gallons? I'm going to switch the table and find a new unit rate, because it's asking now about 5 gallons. So minutes to gallons, I need a unit rate for gallons. 6 to 1, divide by 6. 4 divided by 6 is 2/3. You can work that over here with this fraction. Then to go from 1 to 5, I multiply by 5. 2/3 times 5 is 10 over 3. So if I tell you 10 over 3 minutes, we don't really initially understand what that means. So I'm going to change it to a mixed fraction. That's 3 1/3 minute. That helps a little bit, but we know 1/3 of a minute is 20 seconds. So this is 3 minutes, 20 seconds to get 5 gallons. You can buy 3 sandwiches for $4.95. Find the unit rate. So I'm going to put cost over sandwiches because I want to find out how much is it for 1 sandwich. That makes sense. That doesn't really make sense to say how much of a sandwich can I get for $1. You usually buy sandwiches in whole numbers. You don't say give me 3/5 of a sandwich. You just say I want 1 sandwich. What is that price? So 3 sandwiches down to 1, I'm going to divide by 3. $4.95 divided by 3 is 1.65. So it's $1.65 per sandwich. You can buy 4 sandwiches for $6.72. We're going to find the unit rate. So how much is it per sandwich at that cost? 4 down to 1 is divided by 4. $6.72 divided by 4, worked out here, is $1.68. So it's $1.68 per sandwich when you buy 4. So which is a better deal? $1.68 versus $1.65. Situation 1 is 3 cents cheaper. Now that's not much, but if you are buying lots of sandwiches or you go every day, then that'll add up. That'll make a difference. So in any way, cheaper is cheaper.